The Inaza Fury PC case is an eye-catching mid-tower chassis that aims to offer both style and substance for gamers and PC enthusiasts. With its aggressive aesthetics, tempered glass panel, and ample cooling support, the Fury certainly looks the part, but does it live up to the hype in real-world performance and usability? After spending time building a system in it, here's a closer look at what it offers. Design and build quality. The first thing you notice about the Inaza Fury is its bold, angular design. The front panel features a striking mesh grille with RGB accents that give it a gamer-centric vibe. The tempered glass side panel is slightly tinted and showcases internal components beautifully, making it a solid choice for RGB-heavy builds. The case feels sturdy and well constructed, with minimal flex and clean finishing all around. One standout feature is the inclusion of a PSU shroud and ample cutouts for cable management. These small but important touches help maintain a clean interior layout, which is ideal for both airflow and aesthetics. Cooling and airflow. Out of the box, the Fury comes with 4 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans, 3 in the front and 1 at the rear. There's room for additional fans up to 6 total, or even a 360mm radiator in the front, making it versatile for air or liquid cooling setups. The mesh front panel allows for decent airflow, though it's slightly restrictive due to the angular design, especially compared to more open layouts. Thermals during testing were acceptable, but not exceptional. High-end GPUs and overclocked CPUs might benefit from replacing the stock fans with higher performance alternatives. Still, for mid-range builds, the included cooling will be more than adequate. Interior space and compatibility. The Inaza Fury offers good space for ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards. GPU clearance is generous, supporting cards up to 340mm in length. There's room for large CPU air coolers up to 160mm and ample drive support with bays for 2 big hard disks and 2 SATA SSDs. The tool-less drive cages are a welcome touch, making installation a breeze. Cable management is decent, with enough space behind the motherboard tray and Velcro straps for tidiness. However, tighter cable routing channels would have been appreciated. Connectivity. The front panel includes 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 audio jacks, and a reset button. It's a fairly standard selection, but well placed and easily accessible. A USB-C port would have been a welcome addition for future proofing. Final verdict. The Inaza Fury is a well-rounded mid-tower case with strong aesthetics and decent build quality. It shines in ease of use and upgrade flexibility, but falls just short of premium cases in airflow and high-end cooling support. For its price point though, it delivers great value and is a stylish foundation for any gaming setup. If you watched until this point, please leave a like and tell me what processor do you use, Ryzen or Intel, in the comments below. Thank you.